Hey everybody, it's me, Vic La Placa here with Marine Max Sail and Ski. We're going to take a look at this 2022 Bayliner DX2050. We got that midnight blue on the outside, we got the mocha interior, wakeboard tower up on the top. It's got some upgraded wheels on the black painted trailer. This is a sweet setup right here. It is turnkey, ready to hit the water. Let's take a look at the inside of this awesome looking boat. So taking a look at the transom here of the DX2050, I'd say this is one of the most popular features of the boat, being that you got tons of space. As far as the back goes, you got plenty of room with the extended swim platform for people to run and jump off, even giving it some extra protection from the lower unit. Back here is the rear lounger. You can see you got tons of space, room for 2 to 3 people, USB plugs over on the port side over here with a 12-volt cigarette lighter plug for those inflatable pumps. You have your lower tow point down here for your tubes, knee boards, whatever it is, and then your elevated tow point up on the wakeboard tower. Got a nice walkthrough with a couple steps down into the cockpit here. Flip the backrest back. So on the inside of this boat, you got tons of interior space. Being that this boat has an 8'1" beam, it carries almost all the way up to the front, giving you the max amount of seating. Hence the name from Bayliner called the max seating layout configuration in this particular boat. You got a inboard storage cooler located down below. You also have room for a carry-on cooler down below this cushion right here. This backrest is removable, so you can place it either here or in the other location right there. So make it work to your seating arrangement for the day out on the water. Up at the helm, you have a rotating helm seat with a flip-up bolster if you want to sit up a little higher. Got the nice Bayliner steering wheel with your SIMRAD screen, watching all your engine vitals, depth, charts of the body of water you're on, and your Rockford Fosgate stereo head unit, pumping the 4 Rockford Fosgate speakers inside the boat. When it comes to storage space for all the water toys, you got tons of space down here. It slides all the way up for those longer skis, wakeboards. We have a couple accent interior lightings in this particular boat. Now up in the front, you'll see you got plenty of storage space underneath all the cushions. Got some bolsters up in the front, so plenty of ways to sit down in this boat. And don't forget your boarding ladder up in the front. Super convenient, so people ain't running through the entire boat when they're getting in and out. So that's just a couple of the cool features of this Bayliner DX2050. If you're interested in this boat or any other boat in our inventory, give me a call at 210-301-2507. My name is Vic La Placa. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out on the water.